Hello and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Candy James and I'm so excited to be here with you guys. So today, excuse my puffy hair. Today we're gonna do a deep eyebrow routine. I am fighting a cold, so putting on eyelashes was like crazy. I really think it's my allergies, but we shall see. Anyways, and so today we're gonna get into eyebrows. I also might do like a little bit of contour on my face and just a little bit of blush, but nothing too deep. I already kind of put on my foundation, so as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and get into some eyebrows. And so this is something I love to use. I have another one, but this one is an eyebrow gel. I use this just to give me a foundation to lay my eyebrows flat so that when I go ahead and start drawing them in, they stay in place. And so you'll see me just apply it lightly to my brows, just giving it that you know, so that all the hair is in one direction and everything is on a flat surface. It's something I love to put on. I even wear eyebrow gel when I'm not wearing makeup because it just let your eyebrows be that good. You know what I'm saying? My lips are kind of dry, but I'll put on a little lip, you know? But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do with my brows. And then what I'm gonna do after that is contour it. Let me see if I can find the pencil that I want to use. I just had it, it's right here. So then I'm gonna draw this on, my brow on. So it's kind of dry. I don't like it to be, you know, I don't put a whole bunch of product on my face, just a little bit. So you'll see it be kind of, you know, whoop. And then I'm gonna just start drawing. As you can see, nice clean nice clean under eyebrow. And this is gonna give me what I want. And I'm just gonna fill it in. Because we're not gonna do a heavy brow, but we're gonna do a sexy brow. And I'm just gonna fill it in like this, like so, like so. And I will clean it up by blending it through. But right now, this is what we're gonna do. And so this side has a blending stick to it, and I just use that and clean it up. And I'm also gonna take my concealer brush, but I'll wait till I get through my other eyebrow. And I'm just gonna do this to the other brow. You see what I'm saying? And I'm gonna underline this one as well. And I'm just gonna go up like this. And fill it in. And fill it in. You see how that is? Because this one is kind of blended, but do you see how thick that is? And then we're gonna blend. Just blending the product into my eyebrow. And mind you, I have on the gel, so it's gonna keep it in place all day. Like my eyebrows will not move. And that's something I like about eyebrow gel. It keeps everything in place. NYX has one. I know NARS has one. e.l.f. has one. Just invest in one. If you're one of those girlies who want to start out your eyebrow journey and you kind of don't know where to start at, I recommend getting that and a good pencil and just using it to play in. You know what I mean? You don't have to have like the best top-notch pencil, but you can definitely have something that you can take with you on vacation, on a cruise, you know, things of that nature. I always keep like a little mini makeup set for like an everyday work look or like going out somewhere, things of that nature, just because it's like you just never know. You know what I'm saying? You just never know. Okay, and so I'm gonna take my concealer. I normally apply it to the side of my hand. And then when I'm done with it, I'm gonna just take it and clean up my brows. You're gonna see me clean up my brows. And I'm gonna turn this way so you can see. And I'm gonna clean up my brows. You can add dots to it, or, you know, you can just kind of guide it with your hand. I mean, gauge it with your eye. Sorry, not guide it with your hand, but gauge it with your eye, just so you know how much product you want to use. I will say this, a lot goes a little way. So don't worry about putting too much on. I kind of think I put too much on, but it's okay. Don't ever worry about that. And then I'm also gonna go above my eye, just above it, you know, and clean it up. I always think about Kylie's Jenner tutorials. They're so like cute and fun. She always gives you like a quick go-to look for maybe like the gym, running errands. I love her little tutorials on makeup. They're really cute. And that's just me cleaning up the product, as you can see. So there's always gonna be room for improvement, but you just wanna clean it up like that. You see that? So you get that clean arch and that nice definition under your brow. Then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go on this side and I'm gonna do the same thing. And this time I just might pat some of it up under there and then start cleaning it up. You know? And I'm gonna add a little bit more to this brow just to make it sharper, because I think I was a little light-handed on this side. And this is the eyebrow that I kind of tweezed and messed up. You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna do that. And then we're gonna clean it. Clean, clean, clean. Let the girl be serene. Clean, clean, clean. And this one I didn't put too much product on, as you can see. So it's a little lighter. But I'm definitely gonna blend this out and set it. So that it gives me the look of just the top of my brow. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna clean that up. And then I'm gonna blend whatever's not going in the direction that I want, just so that it's all moving in one direction. When you see me do this, this is me taking my foundation and just going over the areas that I highlighted so that everything is in one go, you know, just one area, okay? And I'm also gonna clean up the inside just a little bit, you know? And that's how I like my brows. A little chunky, but nonetheless, they're cute. And then I'm gonna take some of my contour that I'm gonna use. It probably won't be too bright, you know, but just enough product to give me a highlight up under my eye. And that's something that I love to do. Yeah. And we're gonna put a little bit here too as well. I might brighten this up a little bit just because I have some new concealers I might want to add to the mix. And this is just me doing the top of my face. Probably not gonna do like a full glam. I'm gonna do a mini glam. Yep. And sorry if I didn't put that in your face. Then we're gonna blend this out. We're just gonna blend this out. You see me trying to decide if I want to go all the way down. I'm like, do I want to do that today? Not today. Alrighty then. So then now we're gonna blend this out. I'm gonna use a brush just to blend some of it out. And then we're gonna put on some blush. And then the look is gonna be done, you guys. The look is gonna be done. The look is going to be done. You see? And I am gonna set it. Just because I like to keep my under eye bright. You see how that's blending in? Uh-oh, my baby hair. My baby hair. My baby hair. And this is just highlighting. This is like a quick go-to. Boom, boom, boom. Just to give your face what you need to get out the door, you know? There's not too much, but just enough, you know? Like a good soft glam. I'm also gonna set my face with a nice finishing powder or bronzer, just to give me that of what I want, you know? So that all over my face is blended. And then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do my under eye. And I'm gonna lightly bake it with just a light shade. I'm not really using too much. And this is just to clean up my under eye. See, it's not a heavy bake, but just enough, you know? And then I'm gonna go in with some blush and just hit my cheeks to finish the look. And then after that, I'm gonna set my face, you know? I don't know if you guys see it, but I did do a tutorial on a good blush look. How to put on blush. If you want to, that video is up too as well. Love me a good blush. I'm just gonna go in circular motions until it gives you that, you know? Right, I'm also gonna take just a little bit of this powder. I really don't want to use a lot, but I need some type of powder to bake, and I can't find my banana powder. And this is just to set my under eye. And then I'm gonna do my lip while that bakes. And we can use that same pencil, but I might just use this other pencil that I have just to give me some, you know? And I always like to complete the look. Like sometimes I'm like, I'm just gonna do one part, and then I end up doing the whole look. Just because it's like, I don't want my face to look crazy. You know what I mean? So I end up doing the whole look. I end up doing the whole look. And this video will probably be up tomorrow. And this is my go-to lip. And I'm gonna wipe off what I put on this set. So I just have that look now. I feel good. Oh, setting spray. Okay, now I'm gonna set my face. And while that dries, see the brows? Get into them. Get into the brows. Period, per. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Love you, bye.